it comes to owning and maintaining a car, it's important to have the right kind of help. Car dealerships can be a great resource for both new and experienced drivers, offering a variety of services such as car maintenance, financing, car shopping, insurance and car detailing. This article will explore how car dealerships can help drivers with all aspects of car ownership, from buying and maintaining a car, to insurance and customization. Read on to learn more about the benefits that dealerships have to offer and why seeking help from them can be so beneficial. Car maintenance. Regular car maintenance is essential to ensuring that your car is safe, reliable, and in good condition. Taking your car to a car dealership for regular maintenance can be extremely beneficial. Car dealerships are staffed with professionals who have extensive knowledge about the make and model of your car, giving them the ability to provide the best care and maintenance. Car dealerships can provide a range of services, such as oil changes, tire rotations, brake and suspension repairs, transmission repairs, and more. They also have access to the latest parts and technologies to ensure that your car is running at peak performance. Car dealerships are also able to provide diagnostic services to determine the cause of any issues you may be having with your car. Financing. When it comes to financing your car dealerships can be a great source of assistance. Car dealerships offer low-interest car financing for qualified buyers, which can help you save money in the long run. Car dealerships can also work with you to help you get the best deal for your budget. They can help you find the right loan terms and get pre-approved before you even step foot in the dealership. By having a pre-approval in hand, you can be sure of the terms of the loan and have more bargaining power. Additionally, dealerships may be able to offer additional incentives, such as special financing or bonus cash, to help make the deal more attractive. Car shopping. When it comes to car shopping, it is important to have the best advice and guidance you can get. Car dealerships are a great resource to seek help in this regard and can provide valuable assistance. They can provide information on the different makes and models of cars available, and can offer advice on what would best suit your needs. Car dealerships can also offer the convenience of having the car delivered right to your door, so you don't have to worry about the hassle of going out to the dealership. They can also provide information on financing options and other services that may be needed. Moreover, car dealerships can provide the benefit of having a professional by your side when shopping for a car, to make sure you get the best deal. Car insurance. When it comes to car insurance, it can be difficult to navigate the various options available to you. Car dealerships can offer some great options for car insurance that can make the entire process much easier and less stressful. Car dealerships typically offer policies that are tailored to the specific vehicle you purchase and can help you find the right coverage for your needs. Additionally, car dealerships can help you save money on your car insurance by offering low interest rates and discounts. Having car insurance through a car dealership also provides peace of mind knowing that you are covered in the event of an accident or any other type of mishap. Furthermore, car dealerships often provide additional services along with car insurance, such as roadside assistance and legal aid. All of these benefits make car dealerships a great option for finding the right car insurance policy for your needs. Car detailing. For those who want to take the look of their car to the next level, car detailing is an important part of maintaining your vehicle. Car detailing is the process of making sure every nook and cranny of your car is scrubbed and polished to perfection. It includes washing, waxing, polishing, and vacuuming the interior and exterior of your car. This helps to improve the look of your car and protect it from damage caused by the elements. Car dealerships can help you with car detailing by providing top-notch services from certified professionals. They have the tools and expertise needed to ensure your car looks its best, whether you just want a basic wash and wax or something more intricate. Plus, car dealerships can offer packages that include car detailing as part of a larger maintenance plan. This makes it easy and affordable to keep your car looking its best all year round. Customization. Customizing your car is a great way to make it stand out and express your personality. Car dealerships can help you with every step of the customization process. They offer a variety of services such as painting, adding decals, installing aftermarket parts, and more. With their help, you can customize your car to your exact specifications. Car dealerships also offer services to help maintain the customization, such as waxing, buffing, and polishing. With their help, you can keep your car looking and functioning like new. Car dealerships offer an array of services to help you customize your car, making it truly one of a kind. Conclusion. When it comes to owning and maintaining a car, it can be a daunting task. Thankfully, car dealerships are here to help. From maintenance to financing, car shopping to car insurance and car detailing to customization, car dealerships offer a variety of services. As a result, seeking help from a car dealership can be a great way to make the car ownership process smoother. Car dealerships can help save time and money by providing access to financing, car maintenance services, and car insurance. Furthermore, car dealerships can also help you with car shopping and customization. With their expertise and know-how, car dealerships can help you find the perfect car and get the best deal for it. In conclusion, car dealerships provide an invaluable service to car owners. With the help of car dealerships, car owners can better manage their car ownership experience, all while enjoying the benefits of low-interest financing, regular maintenance, and customization options.